Do something, cat.
Oh my god, like, I just wish people would understand how hard things can get.
Where's this fidget spinner? What will she do?
Ah, hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you.
Say hi. Say hi.
Oh.
But you're just a pretty princess. Come here.
Where are you?
You only exist because I let you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whiskey. Look at this idiot.
Oh, it stinks. Nice and good.
That is rude. That is rude. Stop. You.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to.
놀아. 놀아줄게.
Auf der Heide blüht ein kleines Blüt.
Oh yeah, Billy Rub. Billy Rub. You like that? Yeah, you do.
Oh, they gave me a cat again. I asked for chicken nuggets.
Why, bro? We were having a moment.
Te pica la cebolla, chiquito. That smile.
When you're cooking breakfast, you know, you gotta have all the essentials. This is the most important.
I think he thinks my nails are carrots. Ow! Ow!
Le petit chat qui court dans la maison, le petit.
Oh my god. You don't choose your cat chooses you. And oh my god. Dude, you good? Guys, what do you think about the TikTok fame? Do you know how to play Roblox? You do? Okay, well, show us how it's done. Go ahead. It's your turn. Simon. Thank you. Hey!
Trash. Back up. What you got?
Oh, you're such a little love bug.
And we're walking here, we're cooking people.
Nestle Crunch.
Kitty. Kitty on the counter. Kitty on the table. Kitty on the wall. Kitty on the ceiling.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe I got this on video.
To let you know, I just came to remind y'all que ese culo bota caca.
Who's a good boy?
Andy, are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine. It's just that life is pointless and nothing matters, and I'm always tired. Also, I can't sleep. I'm overeating. None of my old hobbies interest me.
Sir. Sir. Sir! We've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty.
Teddy! All the kids are in.
Dinner.
You want this?
We have a policy of not splitting up siblings.
He was standing on my shoulder and he was rubbing on my head. Do it again.
Just drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop! Drop down. Snap. Ah!
I'm sorry. You did this to yourself.
Sorry, mate. Sneaking past you. Thank you.
Okay. Time out. Pause.
Yo, I'm on Pet Finder. We got names like Clayton and Summer, but then we got cats like Solar Flare, followed by his sister Flaming Asteroid, followed by Golf Ball-Sized Hail.
You want food? Gay rights! My God, are you homophobic?
Oh, I didn't even. Wow. Jack fears no.
Kitty cat, where are you?
Every second you're not running, I'm only getting closer.
How far would you drive for the girl of your dreams?
I would drive anywhere.
What about to Nebraska?
Oh,
we go to Nebraska.
No.
He was biting too hard, so I hissed at him.
I got myself here a fully grown pumpkin.
If I wasn't fat, you wouldn't be able to do that. So you're welcome. Oh, ouch.
Come home to be screamed at by a dinosaur.
I just got this new face mask. I am one of you now.
Problem. You stupid mother.
So, sorry if this is the wrong time, but I need a shite.
I got a baby kitten, little baby kitten, look at this baby kitten. I think this one got like Down syndrome.
Ding dong.
He's sleeping right now. He looks dead. He's limp too. I've never seen a cat do this before, but just to prove that he's alive. Turbo! Turbo!
She is a fat and she's a disgrace to humanity.
Deadhead's Frank's gonna kill it.
This is what it's like to sleep totally peacefully, not knowing anything about capitalism. Just conked.
Stop fucking quacking, I swear to God. Stop it! Stop it!
Do you love me? Yeah.
That's a really good point, Diane. Thank you so much for bringing that up. Thank you.
I think they got my order wrong.
Time to do some sketchy doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Oh, da doo-dah day.
What is this? Stop! What is...
Oh, okay. Sick.
Press for a receipt.
I don't remember scanning this card, but...
Please take your change and shopping. Please scan an item.
Okay.
First you do the big stretch, then you do the...
You really have to be careful and hold them a certain way, and you know.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody, stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Wait.
Everybody, calm.
Do it again.
She's a